Adam has for us in the Weather Center.
Well, Brent and Nate, it looks like what we're seeing is a pattern that's going to be conducive for thunderstorm activity to start forming each afternoon, at least through Wednesday right now. In fact, we had a little scattering of shower activity around parts of the Treasure Valley earlier today. This time-lapse video from the top of Bogus Basin, you can see some of those little scattered pockets of rain moving through the area. And just know that this is the leading edge of a little more moisture that's going to be affecting us over the next 24 hours especially. You can already see what's happening on the Doppler radar. We have some pockets of thunderstorms out here in southeastern Idaho, out here over the Owyhee Mountains, out here up around the north end of the lower Treasure Valley, stretching down into the southern end of Malheur County and also Harney County. So I've been watching this. This is not a very fast moving line of thunderstorms. That's one of the concerns we have, and that is when these thunderstorms get moving very slowly like this, they generate a lot of persistent lightning, but they can also generate some pockets of very persistent heavy rain because they're so slow moving, and that can cause issues with flash flooding. And then down here to the south, there's the Nevada border right there. There's Malheur County, and again, here's Harney County. You can see thunderstorms developing out there. So all of this moisture is going to be rotating around a big area of low pressure that's located off the coastline of Central California. Really kind of an unusual setup. I'll show you in just a second. 94 degrees right now in Boise, 92 degrees in Nampa, 93 in Caldwell, 99 degrees, man, it is hot in Mountain Home, and in the upper 80s right now in McCall. Not only is it warm, but humidity levels are also on the upswing because of this pump that we have sitting off the coastline of California. And there it is. Notice the counterclockwise rotation. This low is acting like a pump, and so it's sitting there spinning around, and it's pulling up surges of subtropical moisture. So the air that we have sitting on top of southwestern Idaho right now is actually subtropical air. That's why the humidity levels are on the increase. This is the moisture supply. So as long as this low is there, it's going to continue to draw this moisture from the south to the north, and I think it's going to be in place through at least Wednesday, and so that means there's going to be a potential for showers, the possibility of some thunderstorms, and folks, it's just impossible to pinpoint exactly where the potential for thunderstorms it's going to be. This is a very kind of like an indiscriminate weather pattern. You get these little surges or little blobs of moisture that develop, and when the conditions are just right, boom, they will start triggering those scattered thunderstorms. So some areas will see the storms, and some areas will not have hardly anything at all. McCall at 86 degrees tomorrow, Cascade at 87 degrees, a mixture of sunshine and clouds. We'll say thunderstorm chance is expected this evening, again tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, and we might even see a few little pockets of sprinkles at any given time just because of the surge of moisture that's working its way up from the south. Boise will see a high temperature tomorrow of 94 degrees, so temperatures remain on the muggy side and on the hot side here for the next couple of days. 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley, 94 degrees tomorrow, 93 degrees on Wednesday. Then all of a sudden that low weakens, it dissipates, it's gone, and we develop drier air that starts coming in from the Pacific Ocean. So lots of sunshine, but hot conditions expected on Friday, on Saturday and Sunday, but it should be very dry commencing Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The mountains will also see a scattering of thunderstorms each afternoon with dry conditions expected as we approach yet another weekend. And this weekend was spectacular. It was hot, but boy, those blue skies and sunshine made you think like, yeah, these are those days of summer.
Yeah, that is the days of summer.
Yeah.
Thanks, Roland.
You bet.